Hello, my friends. In this comprehensive and highly informative lesson, we will thoroughly learn and precisely get to know the accurate and correct way through which you can easily and efficiently obtain the unique and specific link to your very own YouTube channel, which is essential for sharing and promoting your valuable content. So before we move on to the explanation, if this is your first time watching, don't forget to support me by clicking the subscribe button, following, liking, and sharing this video with your friends and family. So after opening the familiar YouTube application, as you typically would, you then proceed directly to this specific location on the screen. Carefully click on it and subsequently click right here on your distinct channel name. Following that, you will then click on this small identifiable pencil icon, which is located precisely from this particular spot. Then you go to the third option. As you can see, you can click here. So after you clicked here, you have now copied your channel link, and now you can share it or send it to a friend on WhatsApp, Telegram, or any other social media platform. If you've reached this point, don't forget to check out this playlist. This comprehensive playlist contains a collection of highly informative YouTube tutorials where you will undoubtedly discover incredibly important and valuable guides that you will truly appreciate and from which you will certainly derive significant benefit. Goodbye for now, my dear friends.